Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best electric ratchet wrench, the Dewalt DCF512. If you want power, precision, and durability in one tool, you're gonna love this. Let's get started. Product features: stepless speed control for precision. With the Dewalt DCF512, you gain the advantage of stepless speed change, which allows you to have complete control over the tightening or loosening process. Irrespective of how much speed or precision you require, you can adjust the tool's performance with ease by using the variable speed trigger, which is adaptive in real time. Brushless motor for power and longevity. The brushless motors provide an advantage of more torque to the tool, high efficiency, along with less wear over time. This means you get high performance along with lower maintenance issues. This is ideal for professionals and DIYers who seek consistent power alongside an enduring tool. Non-slip handle for comfort and control. The Dewalt DCF512 offers an ergonomic, non-slip grip which helps to fatigue in the arms and keeps the tool firmly in hand throughout the working period. Under a vehicle or within constricted workspaces, this handle provides comfort and firm control in all conditions. Versatile for multiple applications. This tool is very handy and works for a range of different applications, encompassing automotive repair, construction, and even home maintenance. The DCF512 is adaptable to a range of fastener sizes, which makes this ratchet an essential tool for all mechanics, technicians, and enthusiasts. Low-profile head for tight spaces. Standard wrenches may not reach some areas, and the low-profile head was created for these situations. It was created specially for the engine bays, for the corners, and for every difficult angle. You will appreciate this design when every second counts. LED work lights for visibility. Does your garage lack lights? Is the environment generally dark? With the DCF512, you do not have to worry. With the built-in LED light, you would be helped in areas which have low visibility. You may be small, but your impact in the workplace will be massive. Durable build with DCF512. Dust and grit will not be a problem if your glove is full of grease. If you are using the DCF512, your work is in much tougher conditions. As with all of the DCF512 product lines, they all carry the rugged, glass-filled nylon housings that DCF512 is built with. The DCF512 will last you a long while. Pros: powerful, low-maintenance brushless motor, variable speed for total task control, ergonomic, slip-resistant grip, compact head for hard-to-reach areas, bright LED light for dark spaces, rugged housing built for demanding work. Cons: battery not included in base package, not ideal for extremely high torque bolts, slightly heavier than some compact models, may be overbuilt for light home tasks. Final thoughts: the Dewalt DCF512 is a powerful, well-designed electric ratchet wrench that combines performance with comfort and durability. If you need a reliable tool that handles tough jobs in tight spaces, this could be the perfect addition to your toolbox. Stop wasting time with hand ratchets. Check the price link in the description and subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more pro-grade gear recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.